Hello everyone. So here in today's video, we are going to start exercise 4.1, chapter 4 data handling grade 8. In the previous videos, we have already done that is how to draw the graph. Okay, or how to draw the pie chart. So today we'll start with the exercise. Okay. So first question. So first question says, a survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people liked in a city. Okay, so this survey was done and this pie chart shows the findings of this survey. From this pie chart, answer the following. Okay, so first question. If 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Okay, so 20 people like classical music. So what percentage people are liking classical music? 10%, right? It means it is given to you 10% means how many people? 20 people. Okay, so if 10% means 20 people, we need to find 100%. It means total, right? So 100%. So what we are going to do here, we are just simply multiplying by 10. Here also multiply by 10. You will get 200 people, right? Okay. Now move to second question. Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Now here you can see which one portion is bigger. Yes, light. It is 40%. It is bigger. So which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Light music. Okay. Now next, if a cassette company were to make 1,000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? Okay, so they are making 1,000 CDs. Now you have to tell which type of each. Okay, it means, look, first of all, we'll calculate it for semicircle. Okay, just, yeah. Now, semicircle, sorry, semi-classical, how many? 20%. So we'll find 20% of 1,000. Okay, so which is 20 upon 100 multiply by 1,000. So two zeros cancel out. It is 200. Okay. It means 20% means what? 200. So here now classical is 10%. 10% same like this you will calculate. So you will get 100. Okay. Next is folk. Folk music. Okay. So what percentage is given to you? 40, 50, 60, 70, 30%. Here it is 30%. Folk music 30%. Okay. So 30%. Now you have seen 20% is 200, 10% is 100, so 30% is 300. You can simply calculate like this. And then next, light music. So light music is 40%, which is basically 400 people. I hope this first question is clear to all. Okay, now let's move to second question. Now second question says, a group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite seasons from the three seasons, rainy, winter, and summer. Okay. Now, which season got the most votes? Here you can see which season got the most votes. Obviously, you can see winter, 150. Okay. So, answer is winter season. Second, find the central angle of each sector. Now, we know that total angle is what? 360 degree. Okay. And here, total number of votes. If I find total number of votes here, so you can see it is 90 plus 120 plus 150. So it will be 200, 360. Okay, it's same like 360. Okay, so what will be the central angle? So here central angle of summer, if I find, So total votes are 360. Out of that, Samar got 90 votes and we need to find angle. So multiply by 360. If suppose we need to find percentage, we'll multiply by 100. Okay. 360 to 360 cancel out. Ones are 90, ones are 90 degree. Okay. Now next, it's rainy. Now for rainy, if you see 120 votes, so 120 votes out of 360 votes and total angle 360. 360 ones are 360, so you will get 120 degree. And next for winter. Now for winter, it is 150 votes out of 360 and total angle is also 360. So 360 ones are 360, 150 into 1, that is 150 degree. So these three are the central angle of each sector. Okay, it's clear? Yes. Now last question, draw a pie chart to show this information. Now we need to draw a pie chart for this. Okay, so let's see how to draw its pie chart. Yes, children, so fraction we have already found out. Okay, now we have to, this is the center, we have to draw pie chart. So what we do, first of all, we draw a radius. Okay, we have drawn a radius here. Okay, so we will draw from center only. This is the center, right? Now first degree is 90 degree. Okay, so this will work as baseline 90 degree. So this point should coincide with this one, this line should coincide with this line. Okay, we have now 90 degree. So where is this 90 degree? Here is 90 degree. We'll mark the point here. Okay, and we'll draw a line, and we will draw a line till from circumference till center only, will not cross it. So it is 90 degree, and 90 degree it is what? Summer, right? Now next what we will do, now this line will work as baseline. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just rotating it. Now I will keep this line like this. Next, what it is? Degree is 120. Okay, so now this point should coincide with this one, this line should coincide with this one. Now we have to draw 120 degree. Okay, so here you can see as this line is moving this side, so 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and this is 120, right? So now here we will draw a point and then we will join this line. Okay, yes. So now this is 120 degree. Okay, and this is 120 degree, and what it is? Raining. Okay, so season is rainy here. And next winter, which is 150 degree, it means the last one. Okay, so this last one is 150 only. You can measure also, and it is winter. Okay, so clear how to draw this pie chart? Okay. Yes, children, so fraction. Yes. Now, third, draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people. Okay. So now here you can see the colors are given to you: blue, green, red, and yellow. These colors are given to you, and you have to draw the pie chart. Whenever we need to draw the pie chart, first of all, we draw a table where we find the fraction. Okay. Or we find the degree. So we will find the central angle. Central angle for each color, or okay, so central angle we will find. So central angle of, now before, yes, so color is blue. First of all, I'll find for blue, right? Now total color, total number of people 36. Out of that, 18 opted for blue color. Total degree 360 degree. You know that central angle is 360 degree. So 360 degree. Now simplified. 360 1 are 360, 36 1 are 36, and 36 10s are 360. So 18 into 10 is 180 degree. Okay. Now next, green. Green, out of 36, 9 people liked green. So 9 upon 36 into 360. Now simplify. 36 ones are 36, 36 tens are 360. So 9 into 10 is 90 degree. Right. Next is red. So it is 6 out of 36 into 360. So now here 36 ones are 36, 36 tens are 360. So 6 tens are 60 degree angle. And next, yellow. Now for yellow, out of 36, 3 people, they like yellow. Now central angle multiply by 360 degrees. So 36 ones are 36, 36 tens are 360. So 3 tens are 30. So these are the central angle. This we first found this fraction, and from fraction we calculated this central angle. Now let's see how to draw the pie chart. Yes, children. So fractions we have already calculated. We need to draw pie chart. So this is the center. First of all, first step, as you know, we need to draw the radius. We have drawn the radius, and this line will work as baseline. Okay. Now, so for blue, degree is 180. Okay, 180, we know that it is straight line. Okay, so I'm just drawing straight line. This is point, this is 180 degree, which is blue color. So I'm writing here 180 degree, and it is blue color. Now next, green, which is 90 degree. Okay, so now this line will work as baseline. So here, yes, I will join like this. Now 90 degree, you can see here where 90 degree is coming. 90 degree is coming here. Okay, so now I will draw a line like this. Yes, now till circumference only. Very good, children, very good. Now you all are getting it, that we will not cross circumference. It is 90 degree and color is green. Okay, now next, this is the last drawn line, so it will work as baseline. Now next, red, which is 60 degree. Okay, so now as it is this line is work as baseline, so this point should coincide with this line should coincide with this, right? And we need to draw 60 degree. Okay, so here you can see the line is going this side, so 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So here I'll draw a point. I will join. Yes, now see, I will join this line like this. So yes, here it is 60 degree and color is red. Now remaining is 30 degree only, you can measure also, and color is yellow. Okay, so understood how to draw? Yes, children. So fractions we have already calculated. Yes. Now question number 4. Question number 4 says the adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by the students in Hindi, English, Maths, Social Science and Science. Right? And if the total marks obtained by the students is 540 marks, answer the following question. Now here, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? Okay, so now total marks are given to you 540. Okay, yes, so total marks 540, and we need to find where child got 105. Okay, so total marks is 540. Okay, now these angles are given to you. Now we will use these angles to find the marks. Now mathematics. Okay, so here central angle is 90 degree, right? Now central angle is 90 degrees, so we will find the marks. So 90 degree out of 360 degree. All the angles are 360 degree, complete angle 360 degree. So now into total marks 540. Okay, so now here 0 to 0 cancel out. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. Okay, so it is 540 upon 4, which can be further simplified. 4 ones are 4 and 5. Okay, 14. So 4 threes are 12, 5 and 4 fives are 20. So 135. Okay, now similarly here also we'll simplify. Okay, for English it is not 90. For English it is 55. 55 degree. Okay, so now 55 degree divided by total degrees 360 into 540. Right? Okay. So now you can simplify this from 0 to 0 cancel out. Now 6 6 are 36. 6 9s are 54. This can be further simplified. Okay, so I am writing it once again so that you will understand. 55 by 6 into 9. Now again you can simplify this. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now 55 3s are 165 by 2. Okay, let me change the colors so it will be easy for you to see. Okay, so 165 by 2. So when 165 by 2, it is how many degrees angle? 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. So 82.5 degree. No, not 82.5 degree. It is 82.5 marks. Okay, here we are just calculating marks. So 82.5 marks. Okay, now Hindi degree is 70 degree. Again, it is not 90. Sorry, children. It is like by mistake it happened. Yes. Now Hindi 70 degrees. So 70 degree. Total degrees 360 into 540. Now 0 to 0 cancel out. 18 2s are 36. 18 3s are 54. So here we got 70 upon 2 into 3. 2 ones are 2. 2 35s are 70. So we got 35 into 3. And 35 3s are 3 5s are 15. 1 carry. 3 3s are 9. 1 10. 105. So here 105. Here 135. Here 82.5. Here 105. Now let's calculate for sines. Sines, how many degrees? 80 degree, not 90 degree. Oh, everywhere. Fine. Now 80 upon total angle 360 into 540. Okay. Now 0 to 0 cancel out. 18 2s are 36. 18 3s are 54. So it is 80 upon 2 into 3. Now further it can be simplified. 2 ones are 2. 2 40s are 80. So 43 is a 120 degree. So this is 120 degree. Now social science, it is 65, again not 90. 65 degree again, 65, and here total is 360 degree into total marks 540. The same thing, 18 2s are 0 to 0 cancel out and 18 3s are. Okay, so here you got 65 upon 2 into 3. So this will be 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, and 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19, 195 by 2. So it will be 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, and 2 7s are 14, 97.5 marks. Okay, it is not degree. Wherever I said degree, it's wrong. It's marks. Basically, we are calculating how many marks obtained. Okay, now let's see. First question. In which subject did the student score 105? Here you can see 105, and this subject, Hindi. Okay, so answer is Hindi. How many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? So in mathematics, child got 135 marks. In Hindi, child got 105 marks. It means 30 marks more obtained by the child. Examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and math. So social science and math. Okay, so social science 97.5 and maths 135 plus 135. So the marks will be 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry, 10, 3, 13, 1 carry, 232.5 marks is more than that in science and Hindi. Okay, so let's calculate for science and Hindi. Now in science, how many marks child got? Child got 120 marks. Okay. Yes. Child got 120 marks in science, and in Hindi 105. Okay, so here we got 225 marks. So obviously here we can see the child scored more marks in social science and mathematics as compared to science and Hindi. Okay, so I hope this question number 4 is clear to you. Now next question. Yes, next question says the number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Okay, display the data in a pie chart. So now it is given, okay, these are the languages: Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil, Bengali, and total 72 children. Out of that, 40 speaks Hindi, 12 English, 9 Marathi, 7 Tamil, and 4 Bengali. Now, okay, so we need to, again, as we need to represent the data in pie chart, it means we need angle. So first of all, we'll find the fraction. So total is 72. So there are 40 children, so 40 by 72. And central angle will be 40 by 72 into 360. Okay. This thing only we were doing. So, okay. Now 4 tens are 40. And here 4 ones are 4 and 4 eights are 32. So we got 10 into 360 upon 18. Now 18 ones are 18 twos are. Now 20 into 10 is 200. So 200 degrees is the central angle for Hindi. Okay, here I'm writing, so it will be easy for you. Now English 12. So fraction will be 12 out of 72. Okay, so here central angle 12 upon 72 into 360. Now here 4 threes are 12 and 4 18s are 72. So this can be written as 3 into 360 by 18. Now 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 20. So 23s are 60. Right? So there's 60 degree for English. Now for Marathi, 9. 9 out of 72. Okay, so find the central angle. 9 upon 72 into 360. So now here we can simplify it as 18 to the 36 and 18 fours are 72. Here 18 twos are. Okay. So now it is 9 into 20 by 4. 4 fives are 20. 9 fives are 45. So now 45 marks, 45 degree for Marathi. Now for Tamil, 7 upon 72. So now the central angle will be 7 upon 72 into 360. Now 72 ones are 72 and 72 fives are 360. So 7 fives are 35. So for 35 degrees. So for Tamil, it is 35 degree. Now for Bengali 4, so 4 by 72. So it is 4 by 72 into 360. So 72 ones are 72, 72 fives are 360, 4 fives are 20 degree. Okay. So here for Bengali 20 degree. Now see, we got the central angles. Now next step is to draw pie chart or display the data in the pie chart. Yes, children, degree we have already calculated. Now we need to draw pie chart, first step to draw the circle. Second, we'll draw the radius, which will work as baseline. Now for Hindi, we have 200 degrees. So what we will do here, okay, so for 200 degree, how can we draw with this one? Now you know that 200 means what? Yes, 200 degree means 180 degree plus 20 degree. It means if we draw 20 degree after 180, we will get 200. So let's draw first 180 degree, but that will be like, okay, very light. Do not draw it too hard. Okay, so it's very light. Now see, as this is 180 degree, we have already calculated 180 degree. We need to move here. Okay. So now here we will draw 20 degree. So this point should coincide here and this dotted line should coincide with this one. And as our dotted line is going in this direction, okay, so here we will see 20 degree. So where you can find 20 degree? 0, 10 and 20. You can find 20 degree here. Okay. So now 180 was that and this one is 20. So it's completely 120 degree. So this line should coincide with this center point and we'll draw a line like this. Okay. So this angle is basically 200 degree, right? And subject or language is Hindi. Okay, so we'll write here Hindi. Clear how to draw 200? Okay. Now next, for next English, here we have 60 degree. So now as we have drawn this line, so this will work as baseline. Okay, we have kept like that. So now you can see this is the center point. This line is this side, it means we'll consider this 0 and here it is 60 degree, this one 60 degrees. So yes, we'll mark a point here, okay, and we'll draw a line like this. Yeah, very good children. Will not draw beyond circumference. Okay, so this is what, this is 60 degree and language is English here. Okay, now this is the last drawn line, so it will work as baseline. For Marathi we have 45 degree. Okay, so here we will keep like this. Yes, absolutely correct. Now you can see our line is going towards this side, so 45 degrees. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. In between 40 to 50, this 45 will come. Okay, so here this 45. So now we will draw, we will join this point and center point. Yeah, absolutely correct. We will draw till circumference only. Now this angle is 45 degree. Okay, and which subject, which language it is? Marathi. Okay, so it is Marathi. Right, now next Tamil. For Tamil 35 degrees. Okay, so now this is the last drawn line, so this will work as baseline. Okay, so this one now 35 degree. So you can see our line is going towards this side, so 35, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So between 30 and 40 this 35 will come. This is the point, right? Now we'll join center point and this line point. Okay, means this line. So this is 35 and which language it is? Tamil. So Tamil. Okay, now Bengali, it is 20 degree. So rest is 20 degree only. So it is Bengali. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you that how to draw the pie chart. Yes, children, degree. Yes, children, degree we have. Yes. So I hope you understood how to draw pie chart, how to find the fraction and how to find the center angle. So that's all in this video. In the next video, we'll discuss about chance and probability. Thank you so much and keep revising.